Friends, this is the aptitude number 6. We are just talking about the probability. This is the part number 4. So my request to everyone, if you are just preparing for any competitive exam, just like IS, PCS, IIT-JEE, NET, CAT, UPSC, all exams, and also even also for placement, this is aptitude. It is common for all entrance exam. You must note it. We are solving the questions. These questions it has come maximum times in your exam. Okay, so my request to everyone that please share to your friends and also like and subscribe, so to encourage us, so we will upload more videos for your success. Okay, let us start. The first question is, a box contain, again you have same question. My request, at first go in the previous lecture permutation and combination, then you must come here. A box contain 5 green ball, 4 yellow ball and 3 white ball. Marbles, here marbles, 3 marbles are drawn. 3 marbles are drawn. Okay, 3 marbles are drawn at random. What is the probability that they are not same color? It means that different color, different color, different color. One from here, one from here, one from here. Very simple. Okay, very simple. It means that you have to select out of 5, you have to select 1 from here. Out of 5, it means that at first we will solve the sample cases. The sample case is out of 12. You have to select any. If there is no restrictions, you have to select any 3. That is 12 C3. So this is 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 factorial upon. This is 3 factorial. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9 factorial. 9 and 9 cancel. So your answer is 220. Okay. Now, that is 3 marbles out of 12 marbles can be drawn is 220 ways. Okay. It means that this is 220 ways if there is no restrictions. Now, if all the 3 marbles are same color, he is asking not same color. If we are thinking all are same color, all are same color. If all are same color, it means that either the color it is green, or whenever there is a or, you have to add, or you have to select from this yellow. Out of 4 you have to select 3, or out of 3 you have to select 3. So if you will solve it, then you will get 15 ways. So this is the color, all the colors are same. Okay. So your probability for same color is 15 upon 220. Okay. So I explained you in the previous lecture, whenever you are solving one question and if there is another question that is just opposite of this question. Opposite means the complement of this question. Here we have solved for the same color. Now if all the colors are not same, it means that you are finding P dash. P dash is equal to 1 minus P. So 1 minus 15 upon 220. This is 205 upon 220. This is 41 upon 44. Very simple. Okay. I think that you understand. Now question number 2. Out of 15 students studying in a class, out of 15 students studying in a class, 7 are from Delhi, 7 are from Delhi, okay, and 5 from Uttarakhand, 5 from Uttarakhand, and 3 from Calcutta, 3 from Calcutta, okay. So this time, okay, 3 from Calcutta. 4 students are be selected. We have selected 4 students out of 7 plus 5 plus 3. Okay, how many students are here? 15 students. Already he has given us. Out of 15, you have to select 4. Out of 15, you have to select 4. So this is, if there is no restrictions, then this is 15 C4. Then you will calculate it 15 factorial upon 4 factorial into 15 minus 4 factorial. So this is your answer is 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 factorial upon 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 15 minus 4 is equal to 11 factorial. 11 factorial, this is into 11 factorial. Both cancel. Then your total calculation, if you will solve it, then your total calculation, I think that it is 15C4. Okay, we will solve it after some time. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, this is the sample case. Now he is asking 4 students are to be selected at random. What is the chances that at least one is from Uttarakhand? At least one. Okay. So in this condition, we will think again the question is same. P dash is equal to 1 minus P. P dash is equal to 1 minus P. Okay. At least one is from Uttarakhand. It means that maybe one from Uttarakhand, maybe 2 from Uttarakhand, maybe 3 from Uttarakhand, maybe 4 from Uttarakhand. All are from Uttarakhand. At least means either 1 from Uttarakhand, maybe 2 from Uttarakhand, maybe 3 from Uttarakhand, maybe 4 from Uttarakhand. So in this condition, you have to find the probability for this, and at last you have to add. So we will not use this long method. I will use this short method. P dash is equal to 1 minus P. Okay. So P dash is at least 1 from Uttarakhand. So this is 1 minus no one is from Uttarakhand. This is no one is from Uttarakhand. Okay, we have to find this probability. So this is, if no one is from Uttarakhand, it means that 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Out of 10 you have to select 4. It means that out of 10 you have to select 4, and sample case, this is 15C4. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, very, very simple. I think that you understand. Okay, so your answer, if you will calculate it, then you will get 1 minus 2 upon 13, and this is 11 upon 13. Okay, very, very simple. You have to use the formula 10 factorial upon 4 factorial into 10 minus 4 factorial. Okay, you have to use the formula. Okay, now the question number 3. Question number 3 is a bag contains 6 red, 3 white. You have one bag. There are 6 red, 3 white balls. 4 balls. You have to select 4 balls. Are drawn out. 4 balls drawn out one by one. Okay, not replaced. Okay, you have to draw one ball. Then after that you will not put the ball here. Okay, so not replaced. What is the probability that they are alternately different colors? It means that you selected one ball, that is red, then white, then red, then white. Different colors. One by one, this is different color. Okay. So in this condition, how will you solve it? You have 6 red and 3 white ball. Okay. So in this condition, there are cases. Case number 1. Red, white, red, white. Maybe this case. Okay. Case number 2. White, red, white, red. It implies that if these are different color, it implies that either this case or this case. Okay, this is the 4 favorable cases. Okay, so your question I will solve here. I will use another page to solve this question. One minute. Okay, so you have total number of 2 cases. Okay, so you have total number of 2 cases. The case number 1. For the case number 1, if this case, in this condition, you have total number of 6. Out of 6 you have to select 1. Okay, then out of 9 you have to select 1 into, now you do not have to replace this ball. It means that there are only 8 balls are left. Out of 9 you have to select 1. So now this time you have to select white. Out of 3 you have to select 1. Into, there is a relationship, so we are multiplying, because if you are drawing one ball, then after then there is a effect. You can see that there is 9 ball, then after then 8 ball. Okay, so we multiply. Then you have to select again red ball. Okay, so how many red ball are here? Before 6, now 5. Out of 5 you have to select 1. So total balls are 7. Out of 7 you have to select 1. Now next time you have to select white. How many white ball? 1 ball you have selected. So there are only 2 ball. Out of 2 you have to select 1. And out of 6 you have to select 1. I think that you understand. You are drawing 1 ball. After then you are not replacing the ball here. Okay. You draw 1 ball. Then after then total balls are 6, 7, 8, 9. So if you are drawing 1 ball, then there are total left ball are 8. Again you draw 1 ball, then after then 7 ball. Again you draw 1, then after then 6 ball. And at first you draw red ball, then you draw white ball, then you draw remaining red ball, then you draw remaining white ball. Okay. And already we have explained 6C1, that is 6 into 3 into 5 into 2 upon 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. This is your answer. Now, if second case, if you are using this method, if first ball is white, how many white balls are here? 3. Out of 3 you have select 1. Out of 9 you have select 1. Into, now again you have to select red. How many red ball are here? 6. Out of 6 select 1. Out of 8 you have to select 1, because the ball you do not have replace. You have to draw, then after then you have to draw another ball. Okay. So total number of ball are 8. And for next time you have to drawn the white ball. So how many white balls are here? 1 ball you have drawn. Now only 2 balls are here. Out of 2 you have to select 1. And out of 6 you have to select 1. And you have to draw now red ball. How many red ball? 1 ball you have drawn. So there are 5 drawn ball. Out of 5 you have to select 1. And out of 6 you have to select 1. So your answer is 3 into 6 into 2 into 5 upon 9 into 8 into 6 into, sorry, this is 9, 8, this is 7, sorry. This is 7 into 6. Okay. So now either this case will happen or this case will happen. So whenever you have such problem, or this case or this case, or means plus, so you will add both of them. This is your answer. If you will add both of them, then you can see also this number and this number both are same. 3, 9, 8, 7, 6, 9, 8, 7, 6, and this is 3, there 3, and this 6, 6, 2, 2, 5, 5. Both are same. It means that this answer is 2 into 6 into 3 into 5 into 2 upon 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. This is your answer. If you will add it, then your answer it will be 5 upon 42. This is your answer. Okay. Now the question number 4. Question number 4, what he is asking. A bag contains, you have one bag, okay, contains 4 white ball and 6 red ball. Two drawn of 1 ball each are made without replacement. Okay. What is the probability that one is red and other is white? Very, very simple again. Okay. So such problems already we have solved. Okay. With the help of rules of permutations. Okay. So 2 balls can be drawn out of 10 ball. 2 balls can be drawn out of 10 ball. This is 10C2. This is 10 factorial upon 2 factorial. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Okay. So it means that 10 into 9 into 8 factorial upon 2 into 1 into 8 factorial. Both cancel. 2 5s are 10 and 5 9s are 45 ways. If there is no restrictions, then your answer is this. Okay. You have to draw 2 ball out of 10 ball. So this is the sample case. Now, but he is asking 1 ball must be white and 1 ball must be red. one white ball can be drawn out of 4 white ball. This is 4C1. There are 4 white ball and you have to draw 1 ball. This is 4C1. Or this is, if you will solve it, this is 4. This is 4. Okay, this is 4 ways. Okay, already we have explained that NC1 is equal to N. Okay, now one red ball can be drawn out of 6. This is 6C1. This is 6 ways. Okay, because of this formula. The total number of ways of drawing a white and a red ball are, this is multiply of this one, 4C1 into 6C1. Okay, this is the favorable case. 4 into 6 is equal to 24. So your probability is equal to favorable case upon total number of case. Total number of cases are 45. So your answer is 8 upon 15. I think that you understand. Okay. The last question is, a bag contains, you have one bag, 7 white ball and 9 black ball. 2 balls are drawn. 2 balls are drawn in succession at random. What is the probability that one of them is white and other is black? Same question again. Same question. I am solving here. One ball is white and one ball is black. Upon total 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Out of 16 you have to select one. This is your answer. So your answer is 21 upon 40 if you will solve it. Okay, very simple. I have solved the maximum question. I think that you understand all the questions. It has come in your previous year exam. So my request that please solve, and also my request to everyone that please share to your friends. Okay, don't waste your time.